Have you ever attached or imported a PDF into AutoCAD only to discover that it does not appear on the screen? Maybe the PDF seems to import successfully, but nothing is visible in the drawing area. In some cases, you can select the PDF but cannot see it, while in others, the PDF frame appears but the actual content is missing. This problem can be extremely frustrating, especially when you need to trace plans, reference drawings, or work from PDF documents. Fortunately, there are several proven solutions that can quickly restore PDF visibility. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to troubleshoot and fix imported PDFs that are not showing in AutoCAD. The first thing to check is whether the PDF was attached successfully. Type XREF and press Enter to open the External References palette. PDF underlays appear in this palette just like external references. Look for your PDF file in the list. If the status shows Not Found, AutoCAD cannot locate the original PDF file. This usually happens when the PDF was moved, renamed, or deleted after being attached. Browse to the correct location and reconnect the file. Once AutoCAD finds the PDF again, it should display normally. If the PDF is listed and loaded correctly but still does not appear, type Zoom and press Enter, then type E for Extents and press Enter. Sometimes PDFs are inserted far away from the main drawing area due to coordinate differences. Zoom Extents forces AutoCAD to display all visible objects and may reveal the PDF in an unexpected location. Next, verify that the PDF layer is turned on. Open the Layer Properties Manager and check whether the layer containing the PDF underlay is frozen, off, or locked. If the layer is disabled, the PDF will not display, even though it remains attached to the drawing. Turn the layer on and regenerate the drawing. Another common cause involves PDF frame settings. Type PDF frame and press Enter. This variable controls how PDF frames are displayed and plotted. If the value is configured incorrectly, it may affect how the PDF appears on screen. Try setting PDF frame to 2, which displays the frame without plotting it. Then regenerate the drawing and check whether the PDF becomes visible. Graphics settings can also cause PDF display issues. Type Graphics Config and press Enter. If hardware acceleration is enabled, temporarily disable it and test the PDF again. If hardware acceleration is already disabled, try enabling it instead. Certain graphics cards and driver combinations can interfere with PDF rendering. Updating your graphics driver may also resolve display problems. If the PDF was imported rather than attached, the issue may involve the import process itself. Type PDF import and review whether the PDF content was converted into AutoCAD geometry. Sometimes imported objects are placed on unexpected layers or created with colors that blend into the background. Try selecting the area where the PDF should appear and check the Properties palette for hidden geometry. Another useful troubleshooting step is regenerating the drawing. Type Regen and press Enter. This forces AutoCAD to redraw all objects in the current view. If that does not work, use Regen All to regenerate every viewport and layout in the drawing. Display issues are sometimes resolved immediately after regeneration. If the PDF appears blank only in certain visual styles, switch to 2D wireframe. Some display modes can occasionally affect underlay visibility. Type Shade Mode or use the Visual Style controls to return to a standard 2D display and test again. Corrupted drawing data can also prevent PDFs from displaying properly. Run Audit by typing AUDIT and pressing Enter. When prompted, type Y to fix errors. After the audit finishes, run Purge to remove unnecessary objects and definitions. Then save, close, and reopen the drawing to see if the issue is resolved. You should also verify that the PDF itself is not damaged. Open the PDF in a standard PDF viewer. If the file appears blank or corrupted outside AutoCAD, the problem may not be related to AutoCAD at all. In that case, obtain a new copy of the PDF and attach it again. If none of these solutions work, detach the PDF and reattach it using PDF Attach. During attachment, pay close attention to the insertion point, scale, and rotation settings. Incorrect values can place the PDF far outside the visible drawing area, making it appear as though it failed to import. So to summarize, if an imported or attached PDF is not showing in AutoCAD, check the External References palette, verify the file path, use Zoom Extents, confirm the correct layer is enabled, adjust PDF frame settings, test graphics acceleration, regenerate the drawing, run audit and purge, and verify that the PDF file itself is not corrupted. Following these steps will solve the majority of PDF visibility problems and get your reference files displaying properly again. I hope this tutorial helped you fix imported PDFs that are not showing in AutoCAD. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AutoCAD troubleshooting tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.